Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide like videos on TikTok. So let's try to like this post. So go ahead on your profile settings, and then as you can see this heart shape over here. So this is where you can see all your videos or your liked videos, and this one is the recent one. So how to hide these from your profile? Tap that three horizontal lines on the upper right, tap settings and privacy, and tap privacy. Then next is to look for the liked videos. So as you can see there, liked videos. And then select whether it's for everyone, which everyone will be able to see, or only me, which only you will see, and restrict everyone from seeing your liked videos. So that's the process of hiding your liked videos. If this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.